Right, sometimes plans can change. Luckily, the Invites app allows for this and lets us make changes whenever we need to. Here I've got the invite that I created in earlier videos in this playlist, and I want to send a message to all attendees to let them know that I've changed some rules. Sadly, my wife has decided to bring our cats to the party, but I know they'll just end up lying on top of the jigsaw or trying to eat the Scrabble tiles. So I need to put out a no cats allowed message, which I know won't go down well with one particular attendee. Anyway, regardless, it's really simple to send a message to everyone, which will then appear as a push notification on their devices or as an email if they haven't got the app installed. I'm going to tap on the Send a Note button at the top of the event page, and then I can simply type in whatever I need to say. When I finish typing, I can send the note, and it will appear on the invite for everybody. And you can see it's now appeared there at the top of my invite as well. Now, sadly, this update hasn't gone down too well, and as you can see, Safi has changed her status to say that she's not sure if she wants to come anymore. Ah well, you can't win them all. Hopefully this little playlist has given you a good overview of how the new Apple Invites app works. And don't forget there are hundreds more short and easy to follow quick tips on my YouTube channel. So please do subscribe if you found this little series useful, as there are plenty more iPhone tips and tricks that I'd love to share with you. I'll see you next time.